Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all ways how to charge your headphone Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use your phone, if your phone have a reverse charging technology. So go to settings, battery share and turn on it. Now, if you turn over your phone and you put your headphones on it, the LED is start to be red, so it means that it's charging. So it was a first option. The second option is to use a wireless charging station. So you just put your headphones on it, the LED is start to be red, so it's charging. And the last one options is to turn over your headphones and connect with USB-C cable right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!